Hello everyone, this video is about the employee attendance tracking module which helps the managers easily track and record day-to-day attendance for employees and also prompt a reason for providing early check-ins or late checkouts whenever necessary. This video is for version 17 of this module. To start with the flow, let me start by going to the user settings. When I click on Mitchell Admin, under the Delay approval attendance, it should be set as HR role. If it is set as HR role, this user can approve employee attendances. Now, let me go to the user and try to record an attendance. Since it is way past the check-in time that is provided in their work week, it should prompt a message for delay in check-in. Check-in delay message here is where we have to provide the reason for delay. That is traffic for this one. When I click on OK, this attendance will be only recorded after it is approved by the manager. When I go to the manager and I go to the employees or attendances, under the attendance approval, you can see that there is an entry for check-in time. The time difference is recorded as 8 hours and 6 minutes. When I click on approve, only then the attendance will be approved over here. Similarly, let me try to do the same for early checkouts. Under the employees, user, work information, let me go and change the work information. For standard 40 hours a week, let me try to change the timings. Because I changed the timings, the checkout will be late. So that should prompt the late checkout message, the wizard that popped similarly for early check-ins. Now, let me go to the particular user and try to record a late checkout. When I go to the attendances for that particular user, and when I click on checkout, it should prompt an early checkout message. Yeah. Now I have to type the reason for the same. That is overtime for this one. When I click on OK, this will only be recorded after the manager has already approved of the user attendance. Here, the manager is approving the user attendance. We can see that the checkout time difference is 4 hours. That is, after 4 hours, the checkout was done. When I click on approve, only then the attendance will be recorded here. It will be logged under the log notes as well. Yeah, the checkout time difference and check-in time difference and everything will be recorded here. When I click on save, it will be saved. Please note down your queries in the comments below and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for understanding and like, share and subscribe to our channel.